Keller, Achievers Realty. I'm here to give you a market update on what's going on in San Diego County and the rest of the nation so that you can better adapt and move forward with your real estate needs. So first, I know that you've probably seen interest rates jumping in the marketplace, and maybe you want to understand better how that's impacting the real estate market. To do that, we got to go backwards just a little bit. Last year, year over year, we saw another growth that was tremendous. It was well over 12% in most markets in San Diego. And that was on top of like a 15% increase between 2020 and 2021. So for the last 2 years, we've had historic rises in appreciation that I'm sure most of you have seen. I'm going to call that asset-based inflation. And now in the last 2 months, so since the end of January, we've seen interest rates go from the low threes up to almost 5%, 4.75%. So what does that mean? Does that mean a crash is coming? No, I think that's really unlikely. And the reason why lies in some additional numbers that we need to take into account. So historically, over time, and I'm talking over the last 20 plus years that I've been just tracking it, our inventory, the number of homes for sale at any given time in the real estate marketplace, has been about 7,000 homes. That's still pretty small considering our county is continuing to expand. We've gone from having, a little over a million plus households 20 years ago to over 3 million households today. But our inventory in the last 20 years has really stayed at about 7,000 homes at any given time. That means that homes have started turning over much more rapidly, particularly now, because our inventory as of January 1st was only about 1,300 homes. We had one point where we actually hit 1,150 homes. So since the end of January, so now here we are in the beginning of April, we're seeing inventory that has gone from 1,300 homes up to 1,600 homes. And while you can always use stats to kind of cause people to get anxiety and say, wow, we're up 23% in inventory, the fact is we're actually down 60-some%, actually more than that, 80-some% in inventory, from our norm. So we're down from a norm of 7,000 homes down to 1,600 homes on the market. And this is countywide. This is from Point Loma to Jocumba, from down at San Ysidro all the way up to the tip of Oceanside or Fallbrook. So there's not a lot of homes for sale on the market. And I know if you're a home buyer, you're seeing that. But I want to give you confidence for both buyers and sellers today. First, for the buyers, interest rates are going to continue to rise, and because of continued demand, you're not going to see prices abate. We're just going to see the rate of appreciation slow, which is good, frankly, for all of us and especially for our children. And then number two, for sellers, if you're looking to sell and you've been waiting for that perfect time, I want to encourage you, particularly if you are selling to buy something lower. So if you're looking to kind of what investors call go down and out. So you've been in a bigger investment or you've been in a family home and now you're looking to downsize, now is particularly a good time. Prices are going to continue to appreciate and interest rates are going to continue to go up. So if you sell now, the odds are good you're going to get more of what you're looking for in a smaller home, and you can probably get buyers to agree to doing some kind of a rent back for some discounted period of time while you're doing that. So that's your quick market update and your caption for this month, and I'll be back to you next month.